Good morning, everyone. It's Shauna, your tax goddess, here with your next tip. So we're going to kind of continue the conversation on audit rates. A lot of people, when they're looking at tax strategy, are very, very concerned about, so if I do something different, right? I mean, if I implement a strategy and I do something different, is that going to cause an automatic red flag with the IRS? So the first answer is no. Just because you're doing a strategy doesn't mean that it's an automatic red flag. What it does mean is that you're following the rules as they were written to get the best bottom line benefit, right? So there's what's called an aggression scale. So from 0 to 10, 0 meaning the IRS never calls you never ever unless you get pulled for random audit. And by the way, the updated rates for random audit are 0.45 of 1%. Okay, so 0.45 of 1% for individual tax returns. Okay, so very, 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 very small. Okay, and most of the strategies that we apply flow from a business to a personal return, right? S corps, partnerships, that kind of thing. So your audit rates, that zero, that level 0 on the aggression scale is effectively nil, right? Now that aggression scale goes from 0 to 10. 10 on the aggression scale means we're all going to jail, okay? Obviously, we don't want that. I hope you got a good chuckle. As a certified tax strategist, right? So there are 660,000 CPAs in the USA, according to Google, okay? The all-knowing Google. There are 60,000 that have masters in tax. Hi. There are 600 that are certified tax coaches. Hi. And there are 15 that are certified tax strategists. And I'm in the top 3 of those 15, okay? So when I tell you that looking at strategy goes on an aggression scale from 0 to 10, this is not a regular CPA that doesn't specialize in strategy, okay? This is someone who specializes in strategy. The likelihood that you're going to get audited by using tax strategy to make your situation and your life and your world better is basically nil, okay? Now it can happen, don't get me wrong, it can absolutely happen. So if you have questions on audit rates, on aggression scale, talk to your CPA, okay? We focus Tax Goddess focuses mostly on tax strategy, which means that we work with a lot of clients also with their CPA, okay? Because their CPA might be by nature or by training a level 0, a level 2, something like that, okay? We are level 8 by training, right? I won't go past an 8 because we're not going to jail. You seem very nice, but we're not going to jail, okay? But yeah, so, it's important that you ask your CPA, where do they stand on that aggression scale? Because if they're at a 0 or a 2, you're probably leaving some money on the table. And listen, if you're a 0 or a 2, that's probably all good. But you should still be looking at what strategies are they not using that are also a 0 or 2. Okay, so I just wanted to bring up those audit rates, the newest audit rate numbers, which just came out this morning. Again, the IRS audited 0.45 of 1% of people for the 2019 fiscal year. So the likelihood that you're going to get audited, super, super duper low. So make sure you're taking advantage of all of the strategies that you can. Keep that money in your pocket rather than the government's. If you have any questions, I'm going to throw some links down below. Check them out for the Drop My Taxes program, the strategic tax coaching program. Super excited. We have a new little calculator tool that's coming out on how much your savings could potentially be in your situation. So be on the lookout for that. As soon as it gets posted, of course, I'll film a video all about it. So good morning, and everybody have a wonderful day today. And yeah, I guess I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.